To our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to build a study plan in Tascade AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to build a study plan in Tascade AI, all you gotta do is simply go to Tascade. Once you're in your Tascade AI, you need to simply open your Tascade workspace and click on the new project option. Once you've selected new project, you need to select the AI project studio and describe what you want to create. After you have described what you want to create, you can use the drop downs to define project type or upload seed sources. After everything is completed, you can simply customize your project to make it your own. So if you gotta do this, then you will be able to build a study plan in Tascade AI, which will be efficient and beneficial for you. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.